In this question, we have a modulus function f from R to R. That is, the domain here is all real numbers, the range also being all real numbers, and the function is given as fx is equal to mod x. We have to check whether the function is 1, 1, that is its injectivity, or onto, that is its surjectivity. Now, let's start with 1, 1. For that, what you can do here, let me write down the function fx being mod x. So clearly, if I place -2, what we are getting? Mod of -2, which is 2. Now, what if I place x as 2 here? What do we get? Mod of 2, which is again 2. So clearly, what do we find here? That here f2 is equal to f2 is equal to is say or say f minus 2 is equal to f2, as you can see from these two. So f2 is same as f minus 2 or vice versa, but here 2 is not equal to, or say minus 2 is not equal to 2. So therefore, this is not a 1, 1 function. Now, in order to check its injectivity, what we are going to do is to consider this function. Let's say we are going to consider fx as y. So let's say let fx is equal to y. Now I'm going to replace this fx with y. So we'll get y is equal to mod x. Now figure it out. Here x being domain, so x belongs to R. Now if you plug in any real number, right, any real number, it's a 0, negative, positive, fraction, you will always get the result. The output here, that is, in this case, y will give you either 0 or positive real number up to infinity. Once again, if I plug in here, whether it's a negative, positive, or 0, we'll get either 0 or any positive. So what do we get here? The range is minus, this is equal to the range. This is equal to the range. And our codomain, as you know that the codomain, as per the question, is R, right? Codomain is equal to R. So clearly, this is our range, right? You can see that the range here is all positive real number, including 0. That's the range, and the codomain is R. So therefore, we say that not onto, as the range is not equal to codomain. Range is not equal to codomain. So we'll say that for negative values of there are several numbers in the codomain, negative particularly, which are not the image of any elements in the domain. Therefore, this is neither 1, 1 nor onto.